Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to show you a Chrome plugin using which you can increase your reach of your LinkedIn posts. Say for example, you are posting something in LinkedIn and you want to find out the relevant hashtags. Everyone knows that hashtags play a very vital role in increasing the reach of your post. So how do you find which is the best possible hashtag? So for this, I will recommend one tool, and I will put the link to the tool in the description box. So it's a Chrome plugin. I have already installed it, as you can see here. So once you install it, it will come here in your Chrome plugins. So here, if I want, I can search for any hashtag and it will tell me how many followers that particular hashtag has. And while posting or while making a new post, as you can see here, now when I post something about data, so normally what happens is that it only shows the hashtags, but now what you see the number of followers also next to it. You see database management system, it has 1,16,127, whereas database administration has only 115 followers. So I will be adding database management system. And now if I type just SQL, I see some of these. So it takes some time for the followers to load. As you can see, SQL Server has 19,832 followers. Now let me type Azure. As you can see, let's see how the followers are here. Azure certification has 9,322 followers. So in this way, you can very easily find out the number of followers for each hashtag, and as a result, use those hashtags which has high number of followers. In that way, your post will reach a bigger audience. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.